Hello, this is Amar Maharjan. I'm going to talk about a paper called Registration of Human Point Set using Automatic Key Point Detection and Region-Aware Features. This work is a collaboration with my supervisor, Xiaohui Yuan. In non-rigid point set registration, one point set template is deformed so that the template is aligned with input point set as close as possible to get dense correspondences between the point sets. There are two major challenges in non-rigid point set registration in complex human point sets. One is the large deformation between the point sets, and another is the different number of points between the point sets representing complex human poses captured by different types of depth devices. In this paper, we present a probabilistic non-rigid point set registration method based on Gaussian mixture model to deal with large articulated deformations of point set with different number of points. We leverage two important constraints, key point correspondences and local neighborhood preservation. Our method detects the key points in the point set based on the geodesic distance. We then extract the feature descriptors based on cluster statistics of the detected key points to compute key point correspondences. Our feature descriptor encodes left, right, and upper-lower cluster regions information that are critical in point sets with symmetry such as 3D human point sets. First, key points are detected based on the geodesic extreme points from the mean of the point sets, and then the cluster information around the key points such as principal component axis or lengths are used in the feature descriptor. To encode the left-right cluster regions, we first select left and right points from the mean of the point set. The key idea is that the geodesic distance difference from the right cluster mean to left point should be greater than the geodesic distance to right point. Similarly, for the left cluster mean, the geodesic distance from left cluster mean to left point should be less than the geodesic distance from left cluster mean to right point. So we exploit this geodesic distance difference to encode the left and right context of the clusters of the point sets. Similarly, for encoding upper and lower cluster regions information, the key insight is that the geodesic distance difference from upper cluster mean to upper point should be less than the upper cluster mean to lower point. And for the lower cluster mean, the geodesic distance from lower cluster mean to upper point should be greater than the lower cluster mean to lower point. To compute the key point correspondences, we first compute the cost matrix, and then each element in the matrix is the feature distance of the key points. Then we use Hungarian method to get the key points correspondences. Our method has lower average registration error with respect to different types of deformations, small, medium, and large. From our ablation study, we demonstrate that key point correspondences and local neighborhood preservation are important to get accurate results. Our method generates accurate results and maintain both global shape and local neighborhood structure in complex human poses when compared to other state-of-the-art methods. Our method has lower average registration error when using different number of points between the point sets. Our method shows robust results even when the number of points between the point sets is large compared to other state-of-the-art methods. In conclusion, we present a probabilistic non-rigid point set registration method to deal with large deformation and different number of points between the point sets. Two important constraints, key point correspondences and local neighborhood preservation, are used as a regularization terms in the registration method. Key points are identified on the point sets using geodesic extrema. The correspondence between the key points is computed using a novel cluster-based region-aware feature descriptor. The experimental results demonstrate highly reliable key points and key point correspondences and low average registration errors. Please check our paper for more detail. Thank you.